Hey everyone, it's Nettie Morris, and I wanted to come back and just talk to you guys about a easy way for you to make some extra income. What is a notary public? It is something that I mentioned on my last video, and I wanted to come back and share with you guys exactly what it is and how you can get into it and how lucrative it can be for you and your family. So, a notary public, guys, is a person who is appointed by the state, typically the Secretary of State in your state. And a notary public is a person who serves as an impartial witness. We are impartial witnesses, meaning we typically don't know the signer of the document. We are there to mainly deter fraud. So our job is to show up to verify the identity of a person. And typically we do that by looking at their driver's license or their state ID or their U.S. passport and an official government ID that is unexpired. So it has to be a current ID. And we look at that. We make sure that the person on the ID matches up with the person who is in front of us. Make sure that their signature matches up with the person that is in front of us. And we also ensure that the person is, cognizant, that they're aware of what they're signing. They're willingly signing it. They're not signing it under duress. And that's what we do. It is a important position. We sign stuff like loan documents, powers of attorney, vehicle transfers. I mean, all types of documents. And you wouldn't believe, how many documents need to be notarized. At some point in life, everybody needs something notarized. And some of you will say, well, I'll just go to my bank. Well, the fact of the matter is that more and more banks are getting away from doing it, or they're only doing it for, their clientele. A good notary is hard to find, meaning a lot of times when you need a notary and it's something you can't get around. If you have to have something notarized, you have to have something notarized. So you need a notary. And you need them now. I'm thinking of that commercial, J.J. Wentworth. I need money, I need it now. You need that notary. You need that notary right now, okay? And so I am a mobile notary, meaning that I go to people. So when they need me or they need a notary and they need a notary right now, I can go to them. Now, you might say to yourself, well, why do you need to do that? Because some people are hospital bound. I've been in the hospitals. Some people are shut in. They can't get out of their home. Some people are just busy, all right? They're just busy. And so they would rather pay for the convenience of someone coming to them. Now, I just want to show you guys some of the tools that a notary has in their bag, right? So I have a journal. Can y'all see this? I have a journal. I have a seal, all right? I have a seal. And sometimes I take people's thumbprints, okay, to put in my journal. Now, each state is different, guys. Each state is different for, the process that you take to become a notary. In most states, you just pay a fee. You may have to go to a training class, all right? The fee in my state to become a notary is, I believe it was $65. Not terribly expensive, okay? Now, there are some other things, recommended things that I would say that you should get, as you go along. And I'll do more videos talking about this. But being a notary, guys, is a great way to make a mobile notary to make some extra money. I have made like $70 in, let's say, 30 minutes time. $75 in 30 minutes time, $125 in an hour's time. The sky is the limit. The sky is the limit. You work for yourself, you set your own hours. So I would encourage anybody out there who is looking for a legitimate way to make some extra money, consider being a notary. So with that, folks, I hope you found value in this. If you found value, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, share this out, okay? Share this out to someone you know who could use some extra money, all right? Could use some extra money. With that, folks, everybody have an awesome rest of the day. Bye-bye.